Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Inam Amla. Today we are going to show you how to make a simple mosquito killer, a small video. See, these are strong cardboard pieces. These are three of them are big pieces, 1, 2 and 3, and other two are small pieces, and one big piece has a little sort of socket. We have made it for just inserting our fast card. These two have a hole in them. We have made a hole in each of these. So let us proceed. You know what? We have to make a little box with these pieces. So we are not going to show how we make it, and just at last we are going to show you. So we have made this part of the box. So let us show you how to join the bottom. We didn't show you all because it would have taken time, a lot of time. So we will join the bottom. So let us join the bottom now. The bottom is fixed. So the box is ready. See what it looks like. See. So this is an aluminium foil. So we are going to cut it. We have made two of it. So now see what we are going to do with these. We have joined one here and we are going to join another here. So we have to make a hole in this foil also, so that this hole is exactly on the hole which is already here in this cardboard. Now we are going to just pour some glue here to join it properly, to fix it properly. And inside also. make sure that you don't pour this glue near this hole, because if you do that, this glue can melt, because it's going to get hot, this aluminum foil. Just 1 or 2 centimeters away from these holes is enough. This is a coil made up of a nichrome wire. We are going to join this. We are going to join this to this box. We are going to fix this in this box. You see how? First, we are going to pass this wire through one hole. So first we have passed this wire from this hole. Then we are going to do the same with another hole, See what it looks like now. See. Now we are going to pour some glue on either of these ends. Now we are going to do the same with the another hole. We are doing the same on another end. So we are almost done. See what it looks like now. See, and this is the socket. Now we are going to, this is a wooden piece. We are going to join it here. See, here, just behind the socket. So we are joining it. This is another piece. We are going to join this piece on the top of this wooden piece which we have just fixed. So we are fixing it. This is another piece. We are going to join this on the top of this box like this. So we are joining it.